There are many reasons to use comments in Microsoft Excel. Whether you want to notate how a specific calculation or formula is being used, or you just need to add a temporary note about a list of customers you're calling, comments are a great way to add notation to specific cells in a spreadsheet. Open your Excel spreadsheet and click on the cell you wish to add the comment to. Next, you can either go up to the Review tab and click the New Comment button in the Comments group, or you can just right-click the cell and choose the Insert Comment option. In the body of the comment, type the comment text. Then click outside the comment area and you'll now see a small colored arrow in the cell which indicates it has a comment. Hover over the cell to read the comment. To edit a comment, select the cell containing the existing comment. Go to the Review tab and click Edit Comment, or right-click and choose the Edit Comment option. Now you can make edits to the text or format the comment as well. You can change the color, font, or shape of the comment using the tools in the Review tab. Once you're done making edits to the comment, click outside to save the changes. To copy a comment to another cell, select the cell that contains the comment. Right-click and choose Copy. Next, select the cell you want to copy the comment and right-click again. Select Paste Special and select the Comments option. Then click OK. If you want to delete a comment, select the cell, go to the Review tab and click Delete Comment, or right-click and choose the Delete Comment option. Thanks for watching this video about using comments in Microsoft Excel. Now you try it!